Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the importance and impact of English in the career of engineering students. I am Navnath Deshmukh, lecturer in KK Polytechnic, Nashik. Before we start with the presentation, there are some objectives of this session. Let us look at those objectives. The first objective of this session is to highlight the importance of English in the career of students of engineering. The second objective of this session is to explore the importance or impact of English in the career of engineering students. And the third objective is to discuss widespread application of English in the field of engineering. So let us start. First, we are going to discuss about the use of English in the classroom. As all of you know, English is commonly used medium of instruction in the classroom of all the subjects of not only engineering but all the fields. Teachers deliver lecture and provide notes in English, and the students take down class notes in the same language. Particularly in the field of science, technology, medical, the teachers deliver lectures in English and we have to put down the notes in English only. So, English is vastly used in classroom. Second, the use of English for library and other resources. As you know, all the study material of engineering is only available in English language only. Reference books, journals, reports, articles, theses and internet websites printed and published in the English. Students, those who have poor proficiency, are incapable of acquiring the required information. That's why if you want to utilize the library and other resources, we should be very much proficient in English. The third use of English is about examination. As all of you know, English is a mandatory medium of examinations in engineering and technology. Students cannot opt for other common languages in examinations. All written and oral examinations on all the subjects in engineering are held in English. You know, internal assessment as well as final board examinations are in English only. The fourth use of English is for seeking a job. After engineering or after getting a degree, everyone is supposed to go for job. Most of students prefer to go for a job, and very few students are there who are seeking for entrepreneurship. If you are seeking for a job, you have to write a resume and letter of job application. You have to attend written examinations. You will have to go through group discussions and interview. Employees have to be very much proficient in English. Then only employers are going to give you chance to study in their firms. You know, employers seek graduates with sound communication skills along with technical engineering knowledge. Professionals with strong hold on English language are set in higher levels of standards in the organization. The next use of English for is executing professional duties. As you know, English is used mostly in formal or official communication. Most of the local engineering companies and all the international companies, you may call them multinational companies, follow the English communication. You have to prepare official drafting such as emails, letters, notices, circulars, etc. in a job. You have to also prepare reports, submit proposals and present information in seminars and conferences. For this purpose, when you are supposed to execute your professional duties, you will have to be a proficient person in English. The next use of English is for studying abroad. So many students nowadays go for education abroad, and every engineer has an ambition to go abroad for study or job. As you know, GRE or TOEFL exams are conducted to test the proficiency of students willing to study abroad. If you want to study abroad, you will have to go through such examinations which check your proficiency in English. So students with proficiency in English clear these exams, crack these exams. The next use of English is for scholarship overseas. If you want to avail foreign scholarship, one must be proficient in English. The use of standard and proper form of English can win you foreign scholarship. So friends, if you really want to be successful in your life, and if you want to have a bright future in engineering career, you must be proficient in English. You must have a good command over language. This is going to win you a success. Thank you so much. Happy learning to everyone. Thank you.